stinks in there.
I wonder why, Hunter. Is it you?
Maybe.
Did you lay a giant one on Thursday? Snap his neck now. See how he likes it.
He's still twitching.
No, he is. Boom. That's
Wait.
more.
He's still breathing. He's still breathing. Jerry. Drop the key. Jerry, get him over here. Get him over here. Jerry, get him over here.
I thought I killed you.
Come on, get him over here. Put him on. Put him on.
Fine. You want to beat the crap out of him?
Snap his neck. Snap his neck.
He's dead almost. Come on, Barry, help me throw him up here. I think he's dead.
Great. Think they're dead.